Sorry, Jake.
He's laying some logs.
Alright. Come on, do your kicker-upper. Kick up some dust. Ain't no dust out there, it's all snow.
That's not good, boy. Who's my Jake, huh? Who's the Jake? Who's that Jake, huh? Yep, I don't know if he's done it. What are you doing, huh? You're being silly, huh? You're being silly. You're being silly. Oh, you don't want to roll with that.
Yeah, I'd get back in there too if I were you guys.
Yeah.
This is one fucked up snowfall. It's that wet, tacky, sticky
From coming
napalm
Beaver Days Landing
snow.
and getting closer to Blossom, that's when the road started getting the snow covered and slick. Y'all done, Cheek? Over this way, Jake.
I gotta take you out there now. Alright, I'm going to shut down the cam. Come on, you princesses. he already, yeah, he's just, he just loves this shit, don't he? That's probably some plastic bullshit off the computers and shit I broke.
What?
What you just picked up?
Yeah, right.
No, that wasn't it. No. Well, here's our fucking last winter. Thank God.
Yeah.
We'll never. Our last
off.
fucking winter. If we see winter, it would be about
All right, come on.
40 degrees.
Chico, you done yet?
At the
buddy?
worst. Come on,
Let's
Chick.
go.
Take your big piss there, Chiefy boy. There he is. Look, there's there's Mr. King shit.
I know Chico's got to poop.
Gotta have a hall pass.
All right, Jake's done. Chico's got to do his duty.
Yep, there he goes. I think he's gonna blast one out, man. Alright guys, man. Getting cold out here. Where the fuck mommy go?
Hey, Chico done? You're being silly. Huh? You're being silly. You're being silly.
That being frozen.
Okay.
Colder than yeah. It's cold out there. That's some nasty shit, man. This is gonna be really fucked up tomorrow.
That's why I ain't going nowhere tomorrow.
Yep. When they're talking 12 inches, I don't think you're gonna be able to keep up with it.
No, he says, what about the paper out? I said, I ain't doing that either.
Yeah, that's hanging in the air.
You gotta get that stuff out of the car, so.
I know. I gotta come in first to get my equipment on.
Yeah.
Let me shut this off.
Come on, boys.